thought I'd take a video instead.
Oh, okay.
Yeah.
The land? Oh, yes. Oh, yes. It's steering on that train, so then you might get on wheels, eh?